Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to fix color inversion problem in your Tecno smartphone. Friends, you can see every app is in black and white color, and you can see when you just open any of your app like YouTube, you can see there are not any natural colors of the apps. There are all apps in black and white. So how you can fix it? So friends, first you have to go to the settings, click on search, and here you have to write color like this. Right here, color inversion. Just scroll down like this and you will see color inversion. You have to just disable it from here. Now you can see friends, your natural colors of apps are now showing and it is enabled, and black and white colors are disabled. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.